Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Elementor video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use sticky element animation in Elementor. Let me show you an example. Here, I'm on the Elementor website and we have a single column section which is going to be sticky at the top. So if I scroll down, you will see this orange color section will be sticky at the top and the new container will be coming up when I scroll down. This is the second container. And now this container will be sticky at the top and the third container will be scrolling up like this. Now the third container is going to be sticky and I'm still scrolling down. You will see another example here. We have two column sections here. In the left hand column we have one image and in the right hand column we have some other elements. The image in the left hand column will be sticky at the top and the content in the right hand column will be scrolling down. So if I scroll down, you will see image is sticky and the content in the right hand column is scrolling up like this. Now let me show you another example. Here we have image in the right hand side and different containers in the left hand side. So image is going to be sticky. So if I scroll down, you will see the image is sticky. And here in the left hand column, we have this container in the orange color, which is going to be sticky. And the second container will be coming up like this. Now the second container will be sticky at the top and the third container is coming up like this. Here we are using multiple sticky elements. Now let's go to the next example. Here we have three columns. The content in the middle column will be sticky at the top and the content or the widgets in the right and the left hand column will be scrolling up. So if I scroll down, you will see the middle column is sticky and the content in the right and the left hand column is moving up like this. So this is an example of the sticky element animation in Elementor. And to create sticky element animation, I'm going to use the plugin Animation Addons. This is one of the best animations plugin for Elementor website. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how you can install and use this plugin. What are the features available in the free and the premium plugin? If you want to watch this detailed video, I'll give you the link in the description box. The regular price of the Pro version is only $59 per year for a single website. Currently, there is an offer going on in which you will get the Pro version of this plugin in only $17.7 per year for a single website. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. In this video, I'm going to work on sticky element animation in Elementor. So let's see how does this work.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo website created using Elementor plugin. I have already installed the Animation Addons plugin and I do have the Pro version of the plugin. So when you install this plugin, in the left hand panel you will see the option Animation Addons, and under Animation Addons you will see Settings. Go to Settings and you will be on the dashboard of this plugin. At the top you will see the option Extensions. Go to Extensions. And under extension you will see scroll smoother. Let's open scroll smoother option and you will see the option sticky elements. Make sure that this option is enabled. If it is not enabled, then enable the option and save the settings. Alright, now let's go to the pages. I have one demo page here and on this page I'm going to show you how you can add sticky elements. Alright, so let's click on plus sign and add a new section. I'm going to start with the single column section and I'll show you how you can use sticky elements for single column. So this is the container. Let's select the container, go to advanced and let's add padding of 50 pixel. Let's go to style settings and change the background color. Whatever color you want, you can use the background color for this section. If you do not want any background color, you can keep it as it is. Click on plus sign and add one more container inside this main container. I have added the padding to the main container. I'm going to make the main container as full width. Right, let's click on the inner container and let's change the background color for this inner container. If I go to structure here, you will see the structure. This is the main container. I'm going to name it as main container. Right, and inside that we have another container, and we have changed the color for this container. Let's add padding to this container also. Let's close this structure. Now inside this container, I'm going to add, let's say, title. Let's center align it. I'm not going to change the content. I just want to show you how you can add different elements and make them sticky. Right, click on plus sign and let's add text editor. Use some demo content here. It should be under this container. Let's change the color so that it will look nice. Center align it. Click on plus sign and add one more element. Let's add video element. So this is one container. Now inside the main container, I'm going to add one more container, or if you want, you can duplicate this container. Let's duplicate this one. All right, so you will see the other container here. Let's add some padding. Let's click on the main container, go to layout and change the gaps. Let's add 50 pixel gap between columns and rows. So you will see the gap between two containers. Let's go to the second container and let's change the background color so that we can differentiate these containers. Let's change the style settings for the text. Let's delete this one. Here I'm going to use, let's say, image. All right, so this is the second container. Let's copy this one and let's duplicate this one. All right, so this is the third container. Let's change the background color for this one also. All right, let's change the image. In this example, I'm using title, text and images. You can use any element that you want. All right, so this is the main container, and inside the main container we have 3 containers. You will see it here. Now I want this container to be sticky at the top while scrolling down. So I'm going to select this container and go to advanced settings for this container. If you scroll down, you will see the option here, sticky element. Click on it and enable it. All right, so the pin wrapper is set to default and trigger is also set to default. I'm not going to make any changes. I'll show you how does this look first. Let's click on publish and let's view the page. Let's see how does this look. So this is the main container. This is the first inner container. If I scroll down, you will see it is now sticky at the top. Scroll down, you will see the second container, which is scrolling up, and then we have the third container. All right, now let's go back. Let's go to the second container, select it, go to advanced tab, sticky elements, enable it. Do the same thing for the third element, for the third container. Go to advanced tab and enable it. Now let's publish it and see how does this look. I'm going to refresh it. So this is the first inner container. Scroll down, it is sticky at the top. Now you will see the second container, which is also sticky at the top now. And then we have the third container, sticky at the top. And then we have the footer. All right, so you will see we have got 3 sticky containers. So I'm going to close it. Let's add new section here. And I'm going to use 2 columns now. So select 2 columns. Let's make it full width. It is not necessary to make it full width. I'm just using full width option here. Go to advanced tab. I'm going to change the padding to 0, margin to 0. In the first column, I'm going to use one image. Click on plus sign and look for image, drag it and drop it here. Let's search for one image. I'm going to use one demo image here. Again, it is not necessary to use images only. You can use any element. It is the container where we are going to use the sticky element option. So let's select this container. We are going to mark this one as sticky at the top. So select this one, go to advanced, and let's change the padding to 0, 0 so that the image will take the entire position. Scroll down, go to sticky element, enable it. Now let's go to image, and I want the full height of this image. So I'm going to change the height to VH and 100. So it is going to take the 100% height of the screen like this. All right, now in the right hand column, we are going to add some elements. So let's add heading, center align it. Let's add another image. Let's add text editor. Let's click on plus sign and add video. Click on plus sign. Let's say I want to add icon box. I'm just adding some random images in the right hand column. Let's click on publish and refresh it. All right, now if I scroll down, you will see the next section. We have pinned this container in the left hand column. Now here you will see that it is sticky and the content in the right hand column is scrolling like this. All right, now let's do one thing. Inside this container, we are going to add multiple containers and we are going to make them sticky or pinned. So let's click on plus sign here. Again, I'm going to select 2 columns, go to advanced, change the margin and padding to 0, make it full width. Now this time I'm going to use image in the right hand column. Click on plus sign, search for image, enter it. Let's try one image here. Let's try this one. In this column, let's change the padding and margin to 0 and go to sticky element, enable it. Let's go to image and change the height. I want it full height, so set to VH 100. Right now in the left hand column, we are going to add multiple containers. So click on plus sign, add one more container here. Change the background color for this container. Let's try this one. Right now let's do one thing. Select the entire container and change the background color to black. All right, like this. And for this one, I'm going to change the background color to something different. Let's make it white. Right, so this is the second example that we have, and this is the third example. Now inside this container, let's add some widgets. All right, so we have got one container here. Let's copy this one or duplicate this one. Let's select this column and change the gap to 20 pixel like this. So there will be a gap between these 2 containers. Let's go to the second container and change the background color. Let's try. Right now inside this, I'm going to change the color. Again, remember, I'm just adding some random elements here. All right, now let's duplicate this one. Let's select the third container and change the background color. All right, I'm going to add a contact form. Let's delete this one. All right, now in the left hand column, we have 3 containers. So I'm going to select the first one and go to advanced, and we are going to pin this one also. Go to sticky element, enable it. Let's go to the second one, advanced, go to sticky element, enable it. Let's go to the next one, advanced, sticky element, enable it. All right, now let's publish it and let's see how does this look. Let's go back, refresh it right from this beginning. All right, so this is the single column. Now the next one, this image will be sticky and the content in the right hand side will be scrolling. Now the next one, here this image should be sticky and the container on the left hand column will be scrolling like this one. Now this one should be sticky. If I scroll down, you will see the second container coming up. Now this second one is sticky and the third container is coming up like this. So we can play with different containers and make them sticky at the top. So let's try another layout. I'm going to use 3 columns. Here now I'm not going to mark this one as full width. I'm just going to keep it as it is. So in the middle section, I'm going to add title. Go back, center line. For the entire section, I'm going to change the background color. All right. Now in the middle column, let's add some more elements. Now in the left hand column, I'm going to add icon box. Let's add list. Let's add image, plus sign. Let's add some content. All right, so this is all in the left hand column. Let's go to the right hand column and let's add some element in the right hand column also. All right, so we have some elements in the right hand and some elements in the left hand column. Now let's select the middle column and go to Advanced tab, go to Sticky Element, enable it, and click on Publish. All right, now let's refresh it. All right, so here, this is the new container or the section that we have. The central part or the middle column should be sticky. So if I scroll along, now you will see it is sticky at the top and the columns in the right and the left hand sides are scrolling like this. Now if I want to add some padding, what I can do, I can select this container, go to layout, and let's add some padding at the top, publish it, let's go back, refresh it, scroll down to the last section. All right, now you will see some padding at the top. So you can play with the settings of the container and make the container sticky at the top. You can also play with the different sticky element settings, pin spacing, pin type, pin scrub, and pin marker. So this is one of the best plugins if you want animation in Elementor. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.